Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video, I'll be showing you a very quick strategy that you can use to scalp the currency markets. So this strategy works on good Nasdaq, Euro USD, and you can also test it in the volatility pairs to see how accurate it is. So I'll give you the framework and everything you need to know. All you just need to do is to go back on your chart, backtest this and try and apply it. You can also combine it with your previous strategy so that you can get a more perfect entries and to know exactly when market will turn. So what we need to do first is to set up our chart. To do that, click on this indicator icon over here. First indicator is the moving average. To select that, click on this F icon, moving average. Make a period to be 20, shift to be 0, method to be simple, apply to close, style, 3 pixels, select color of your choice. After that, click on save. The second indicator is also a moving average. Click on this F icon again, moving average. Make your period to be 1, shift to be 0, method to be simple, apply to close, style 1 pixel and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. So the next indicator we'll be choosing is the relative strength index. Click on this F icon again, scroll down a bit, relative strength index, RSI. Make your period to be 14, apply to close, style 2 pixels, select color of your choice. For the level, click on this pen icon, add level, type 50 and 50, style, make it 2 pixels and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. Our next indicator is the stochastic oscillator. To click on that, click on this F icon on your main chart again, scroll down a bit, stochastic oscillator, click on that. Make your K period, D period and slowing to be 1. Feed price, make it low high, method simple. For the styles, make it 1 pixel and select color of your background. If your background is black, you select black. If it is white, you select white. For the levels, click on this pen icon, add level, type 50, 80, 20, style, make it 2 pixel and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. The next indicator is the Ishimoku. To select that, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 2. This is Ishimoku. Make this to be 9, this to be 9, this to be 52. Unfill this. For the Tech and Sound, make it 4 pixel, select color of your choice. And for the rest, make it 1 pixel and select color of your background. After that, click on save. Then the last indicator is the moving average again. Click on this F icon on indicators Windows 2. Moving average. Make your period to be 3, shift to be 0, method to be exponential. Apply to previous indicators data so that it will be following the Ishimoku. Style, make it 2 pixel and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart will look exactly as what you see over here. You will have your relative strength index, 2 moving averages on your screen, and stochastic oscillator with the Ishimoku inside it. So if you don't get it, you can go over the video and then you try all over again. So the zoom level, let's say this is the innermost zoom, you will zoom in completely, then you will zoom out one time, 1. So this is the best zoom level for this strategy. The first thing we want to see is market falling to the downside. Once we have market falling to the downside, then we want to pay attention to this stochastic oscillator over here. We also want to see this yellow line enters into the 20 level. Then after that, we want to pay attention to when it will spike, go above the 20 level. Once we have that, we also want to see this white line is going above this yellow line inside the RSI. So once you confirm that, you also want to see that the moving average is going below the candles. You can see the candles. Once you confirm that, you will enter your buy. Your stop loss will be below the swing before that buy. Then your first target, if you zoom to that level again, your first target will be the 50 level. So let's say you have your entry around this point, then your first target will be here, over here, and then your second target will be at this high. So that is for the buy condition. If you look carefully, we are on Euro USD and this is 1 minute time frame. You can decide to determine the trend of the market from the 15 minutes or the 1 hour time frame, and you can only use the 1 minute time frame because this is like a high probability scalping. So you just want to scalp and be out of the market. So let me show you the sell condition. We have market coming to the upside, buying. We have these 2 spikes to the upside, to trace to the downside, pushes this stochastic to the downside, but you can see that the stochastic did not enter into the 80 level. It only touches the line. We want to see it dip into the 80 level, so we can see here we have a strong dip. Then we have this rapid movement away from the 80 level. So once you confirm that, you want to see this white line in the RSI also goes below the 50 level. It should be around this area and below the 50 level. You want to see the moving average crosses above the candles. You will enter your sell immediately. The sell will be around this point. Your stop loss will be above here. Then your next target will be the 50 level, which should be here, and the last target 20 level, which will be here, before we have this news to the upside. Entry here, stop loss above here, first target here, second target at this point. You see how nice that is. This is futures index market. It also works over here. Like I said, it works on all markets except the boom and crash market. I know I've dropped a lot of strategies concerning boom and crash. You can check out my channel to look for them. So we have market sells to the downside. We have this Shopee price action over here, dipping into the 20 level, which is confirming to us the market is likely to reverse to the upside. We have the break of this white line above the 50 level, also rapid move away from the 20 level, moving average crossing below the candles. So we will enter our buy, stop loss will be below here. You can see that we have no reasonable drawdown. The market just continues to spike to the upside. First target will be here, second target will be at the 80 level, which will be around this point. And also this sell, this will be the last example. If I continue to show you, you will continue to see a lot of example. What I want you to do is to go back on your chart and see for yourself. So you have market spikes to the upside. You can see this buy dips into the 80 level. So if you have strong dip like this one, this is telling you that the market is very, very overbought and it will sell soon. So this is like a setup when you have this dip into the 80 level or the 20 level. Then immediately we have this fall, drops to the downside. You also have the cross of the white line below the 50 level. Your sell, stop loss above here. You can see market drops 50 level over here, and if you wait patiently, dips into the 80 level at this point. Entry here, stop loss above here, first TP, second TP. Hope you understand what I'm saying. So that is all I want to show you. So you can decide not to use this strategy alone. You can combine it with your support and resistance strategy. You can combine it with SMC for easy flipping in the lower time frame, and you can decide to use this one alone. But one thing you should know is that you are likely to take some couple losses before you get the right move, but the win rate of this strategy is higher. You are likely to get less fake moves than the real move. So like you see over here, this is the real move. This can be a fake move, but this is the real move. As you can see, this example, this is the only move we have, so this will be the real move. So condition like this, you're likely to take, see this dip drop, so you're likely to take a loss here before you have this real move to the downside. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.